What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Skylyfe Projects. Hope y'all are doing good and staying super blessed. Today I have another video for you guys. I know it's been a minute since I uploaded. I had to move and everything. I had to switch homes. I had to move the kids to a new home. Just a lot going on in that process. I'll explain all that in another video. But in today's video, I'm back over here at Ceramic Pro, North Phoenix, the elite dealer. You guys know this is one of my #1 sponsors that I work with continuously on various projects. They do an amazing job here. They're professional, they are high quality, their craftsmanship, everything is in detail. I highly recommend coming here. Again, if you guys can see it, Ceramic Pro, North Phoenix. Andres, I got here to my right. Andres, you want to say what's up to the channel, man?
What's up, guys? This is Andres here at Ceramic Pro, North Phoenix. Today we have Jay's Subaru in here. We're going to be doing a nice refresher on the ceramic coating, really make it pop all over again, make sure it's really clean for him so he can continue to enjoy it for years.
Yes, and also you guys, thank you, Andres. Also, you guys, on today's video, I am going to be doing my 10,000 mile overview review on the WRX. I'm going to tell you everything from the maintenance that is required, if there was any problems with the vehicle, the great things about the vehicle, of course, and we're going to take it from there. So that's what today's video is going to be. Might be a little longer than usual. I'm going to try to fit it all in once, but much love, major blessings, you guys. We're back again with another video. This is Skylyfe Projects. Here we go. Well, before they start, I just wanted to show you the before of what the car is looking like. It looks like it's shining currently in this light, but as you can see, the wheels are super dirty, right? I do this on every Ceramic Pro coating video when I come here. I'll do a walk around of the before, then I'll do a walk around of the after. But as you can see, this car is pretty filthy. Just took it up to the canyons up north, going to Payson to see my father. We're actually going back to the canyons on Tuesday. I don't know if we're taking this car or my lady's SUV, but either way, y'all, it's gonna be shining like crazy when this is done. So watch what they do with it. Stay tuned. Here we go. All right, y'all, welcome back. So I wanted to show you guys now how it looks afterwards, right? I went around, did a walk around video showing you how it looked before. Now I'm gonna take the camera around and show you guys how it looks afterwards as the final result, the final project. I mean, it's just night and day difference. If you guys have seen my videos before where it shows the before and after shots, it's kind of like this right now, but I'm gonna actually take the camera around this time and walk around the vehicle. I'm gonna have Andres explain what was done to my WRX, and then we'll take it from there, and I'll continue the video with my 10,000 mile review for the WRX. Love you guys, much love and blessings. Here we go. All right, y'all, I'm gonna have Andres get in the frame. All right, let's go back a little bit. Andres, say what's up, man.
What's up?
There you go, focused. Okay, so Andres is just going to talk about what was done to the vehicle, you guys, and then I'm going to take the camera around so you can see a close-up of it. All right, Andres, go for it.
All right, so we started with a really thorough wash on it, get it nice and clean, and then we did a nice polish on the paint to really bring back out that shine, and then we topped it off with the ceramic coating to keep it looking absolutely beautiful for Jay.
Beautiful. And then you did a coating on the paint, the carbon fiber, the plastics, and the wheels. Yep. Correct?
Absolutely, yep.
Okay.
We also ceramic coated the windshield as well.
See if you guys can see that shine. Let me do this. All right, let's take it around like this. Oh yeah, see how it hits it in the sunlight right there? Yo, you guys gotta see this in person. I mean, it's insane. See if I can get closer a little bit. There we go. You can see all the carbon fiber has been done here. Just walk around here. Sorry. Right there. Yeah. There's the back. There's the quarter panel, rear. Let's see if I can get a close up on this wheel. Give me guys a second here. Trying to get the camera down here. 1 second. A little difficult. There we go. All right. So if you guys can see. Look at that. Yeah, right there. That's perfect. Good job, Andres, on the wheels. It's like they look brand new. Sorry about the noise. But y'all, look at that. And as you can see, the crescent shine right here. And then I'm right there. You can see me in the paint. So obviously that means the car is exceptionally clean. Andres, what do you want to say about the paint, bro? You like how you can see all the reflections here?
Yeah, I love the flake that the ceramic coating really brings out, and the shine that gives it a lot. The depth.
Yeah, there we go. That's the word I was looking for.
Yeah.
The depth. I don't know why I couldn't find that word, but yes, basically the depth of the paint, just how, you know, how deep everything is now. And it literally looks like a whole new protection layer on it. Well, which it is.
Yeah, it is.
But, you know, so you guys, I highly recommend checking them out. Ceramic Pro, North Phoenix. I'll throw all their information up right here. So there you go. You can see all that. Let me turn the camera around. Be back with you guys in just a moment. All right, y'all. So in this part of the video, I just want to go over some great things about this car that I absolutely love. And then I want to go over some things that were not so good that happened with the car, but it doesn't really have to tie into OEM or stock parameters with the vehicle. It actually has to tie into with some of the modifications that I put on the car. And I did touch base with this on an earlier video, but without any further ado, check this out. Here are some of the great things about the car. Number one, the acceleration in the low RPM range. It doesn't matter if it has a stock tune or a modified tune, the acceleration is absolutely phenomenal. I love it. And around, I would say, the 1100 to the 1400 RPMs, it just makes a huge difference in the F824 motor for my WRX compared to like an EJ25, you know, or something in earlier years and early generations of the WRX. So definitely acceleration. Number two would be handling, cornering. This car, literally, I was just literally talking to Andres about it too. It is a canyon carving king. I mean, I have taken it up now countless times to up north, to go up Payson, up to Flagstaff, and this car just hugs the corners like absolutely no tomorrow. It does have to do with some of the modifications that I have on it, right? The Cusco front strut tower bar, the rear strut tower bar, the Cusco rear sway bar, you know, and obviously the coilover suspension system by Rebel GT Touring. So shout out to all those companies, all the Japanese companies. You guys have just made this car phenomenal in that spec. So definitely handling. And I would say number three, comfort and reliability. Comfort in the interior is just amazing, especially for the price you pay for this package. Yeah, there's not going to be soft material touches all around in the interior, but at the end of the day, you still have a very comfortable Alcantara / little synthetic leather, whatever you want to call it, seating. And then you do have some, in the limited trim at least, some soft materials that, you know, aren't so hard plastic touch like you would find in Hyundai or Kia or Honda even, you know, things like that. So definitely those make a big difference. And then I should say number four would be reliability. I haven't had any issues, even in a tuned form, you know, 23 WRX with the F824, no reliability issues. I've had no concerns. Oil changes every 4,000 to 5,000 miles, you know, and I use full synthetic 5W30, so nothing there. What else? Well, I like the design. I think the design of the car is definitely a good looker. If you do the appropriate amount of modifications to it, I think it still looks pretty good. Not everybody's a big fan of the new style of the WRX in this generation, and that's okay. But as for me, I really enjoy the style, I enjoy the design. I think Subaru took, you know, some risk here and did some questionable design decisions, not everybody's liking, but I love it. I am a big fan of the design. So I would say that would be, what is that, number 5? Yeah, number 5. And what are some things that I don't like? Well, one of the things I can say that I never did like off the factory floor, and I said this in previous videos, would be the brakes, you guys. I did not, and I was not a big fan of the stock brakes. They're too small. The rotors were too small. The pads were not right for this vehicle at all. I mean, this car pushes 271 horsepower factory, 258 pound-feet of torque factory, and I just don't think the brakes sufficed. Okay, I just think they should have been completely differently designed, and honestly, for a performance car like this, like Subaru made it, they should have a better braking system. So that would be one. Number 2 would be the transmission. We do not have the differential controlled STI transmission in this car. A lot of people are doing STI transmission swaps. They're taking them out of 2019 STIs, 2020 STIs, and 2021 STIs, and some even I saw 2017 STIs, right? So they're either getting them used or brand new through a vendor, through a hookup, a sale, whatever the case is, but they are swapping them out because these cars perform phenomenally on an STI transmission. So I think Subaru dropped the ball on that as well. But some other things I would say that I don't like would be the gas mileage. The gas mileage on this car is not the greatest, even in a stock tune or OTS map form, off the shelf map. It's just, honestly, the gas mileage is not great. Like right now, you guys, on this tune with Clark Turner and all the tune parameters and everything going on, I'm averaging about 18.3 miles to the gallon. That's highway and city combined. Now, the tune is going to be even more aggressive coming up. However, I'm going to have better air-fuel ratio in the next tune I do. So in return, I should be getting better gas mileage, right? We'll see what happens down the road with that, but for right now, the gas mileage is definitely, it's the gas guzzling WRX. I mean, I think on the scale, it's a 5 out of 10 with the EPA, so it's not the greatest. That's basically at a 50%, you know. You don't have to pay gas guzzler tax on it, but you guys get the point. If you're looking for this car for gas mileage, this is not the right vehicle for you, and I can tell you that right now. Yes, another great thing, it sits a family of 5, right? You can have you can have your wife, you can have 3 kids in the back comfortably sitting there, and you can still go on canyon carves, you can still take it to the track, you can still go grocery shopping, furniture shopping, TV shopping, whatever you want to call it. It'll still work it for you. But other than that, there's not really many other things that I can say I don't like about the vehicle. Yes, excuse me. But there's just a lot more I actually love about this vehicle, and especially for its price, you can't go wrong. So these 10,000 miles I have completely really enjoyed. There was a couple mishaps with the brake kit, but we solved that, right? We put a big brake kit on it, and I don't have any braking issues after that. So all in all, I would say, honestly, you guys, just looking at the car, I think it's beautiful. I plan to keep it. I even told Andres, you know, and he's right there. She's still chilling. He's just listening. But I even told him that I plan to keep this vehicle, and then like I said in the previous video, guys, I might be adding that M240i or even going up to an M4 competition. That would be leaps and bounds about what I can actually spend, but hey, you know, if that turns around, if something happens, then that would be awesome if I can add an M4 competition, because that is definitely one of my dream vehicles, other than a 911 GT3 Porsche. So yeah, I think I covered everything there, but you guys let me know what you think in the comments. Do you like the way that the WRX looks now with the ceramic coating that has been applied here at Ceramic Pro North Phoenix? Again, you guys, I'll throw up the information all right here. Here's their IG, here's the address, here's everything like that, in case you're in AZ and want to check them out. Highly recommend them. You can even mention Skylyfe Projects. Jay, you can mention Jay, my name, they know exactly who I am. Andres, I'm gonna show the shirt that I just got here. So what do you guys think? This is one of their shirts here, no? Yeah, right? I mean, it looks good. I love it. It's the Corsa. How do you say this? Corsa
Toro.
Corsa Toro. And you know, it's one of their events they did, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
3-day event.
3-day event. And you guys, honestly, I think it's a cool shirt. I also got some mints or something here somewhere. Let me pull them out. Yo, here we go. Shish. Ceramic Pro right there. Okay. So I got those. Then I got another shirt too. It's like a long sleeve. Andres, you want to grab that real quick for me, sir?
Yeah, this is in the...
Let me show you guys real quick. He's gonna grab it from the car real quick and I'll show you. But yeah, you guys, after I show you the shirt, hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, smash that thumbs up button for me. Greatly appreciate it. Really helps out the channel. Much love, major blessings to everybody. And until then, we'll have another video. But let me show you this shirt real quick. Here he comes. This one's cool too, you guys. Really nice. Here we go. Auto this world. And then look, there it is again. The Corsa, the mountain trail, that's the track, that's the event they took in their cars. So it is super fire. And you know, shout out to one of my sponsors. They definitely treat me right. I want them to treat you guys right as well. Just mention my name and Andres, he will treat you right.
We'll take care of you.
All right, y'all. Much love, major blessings till another video. Sorry it wasn't a late upload on this one, but we'll work on getting earlier, sooner uploads. Love you guys. Peace out.